a respectful guide to using your hands for your partner's pleasure. Many men may not realize the incredible potential their hands hold when it comes to a woman's pleasure. With the right techniques, fingers can be powerful tools, capable of bringing some women to orgasm. Why? Because fingers are uniquely versatile. They can bend, adjust angles, vary pressure, and move in ways that rigid objects cannot. When used with care and attention, they become precise instruments for intimacy. In this guide, I'll walk you through a step-by-step method to use your hands in a way that makes your partner feel safe, appreciated, and deeply satisfied. Consent. Always prioritize open communication. Before touching, ask, "Do you want me to touch you here?" Keep checking in throughout to ensure she's comfortable and enjoying herself. Consent is ongoing and non-negotiable. Preparation. Hygiene and care set the foundation. Trim and smooth your nails to avoid discomfort or injury. Wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap, scrubbing under the nails. Remove rings or jewelry. Keep unscented, water-based lubricant nearby to ensure smooth, comfortable touch and reduce the risk of micro-tears or infections. For women, arousal is a gradual process that engages the whole body, not just the genitals. Rushing can disrupt her comfort and pleasure, so take your time. Here's how to begin. Start with non-genital touch. Begin far from the genital area. Kiss her lips, neck, collarbones, or arms. Run your hands slowly along her back, outer thighs, or hips. These gentle, deliberate touches help her relax and build anticipation. Tease. Slowly. As you move closer to her inner thighs, slow your rhythm. With her clothes still on, rest your palm gently over her vulva for a moment, then lift it away. Trace the edges of her underwear with your fingertips. This teasing back and forth increases blood flow to the clitoris, labia, and vaginal opening, heightening sensitivity for later touch. Once she's ready and has given clear consent, progress thoughtfully. Over the underwear. Start by touching over her underwear to maintain a gentle transition. Lightly trace the outer lips and thighs with your fingertips. Bare skin. Contact. When she agrees to skin-to-skin touch, move slowly. Outline the outer labia and inner thighs with light strokes. Avoid direct clitoral contact initially to prevent overwhelming her. Instead, trace around the clitoral hood with feather-light strokes, using small circles, side-to-side motions, or oval patterns. Read her signals. Pay close attention to her body language. Her breathing, hip movements, or subtle sounds are your guide. These cues indicate what feels good. Ask simple questions like, softer or firmer, or faster or slower, to ensure you're aligned with her preferences. Every woman is unique, but most respond well to steady, predictable patterns rather than erratic movements. Here are some effective techniques. Circling the clitoral hood. Use 1 or 2 fingertips to circle slowly around the clitoral hood, moving from top to bottom and back. Alternatively, try small figure 8 patterns. Vary pressure and fingers. If she prefers broader contact, use 2 fingers together. For more focused stimulation, use a single fingertip. Adjust based on her feedback. Hood strokes. Create a V shape with 2 fingers and gently slide the clitoral hood up and down without directly exposing the clitoris. This can be highly pleasurable without being too intense. Outer to inner wave. Glide your fingers from the outer thighs to the inner thighs, then to the labia, and back out again. This helps reset sensitivity between more intense touches. Pressure. Hold. Rest your warm palm over the vulva with gentle pressure. This calming touch can be grounding between peaks of arousal. Not all women enjoy or need internal stimulation, but for those who do, proceed with care. Ask first. Before any internal touch, ask, "Do you want me inside?" If she says yes, apply lubricant generously. Never insert dry fingers to avoid discomfort. Start slow. Glide 1 lubricated finger slowly into the vaginal opening and pause to let her muscles relax. Use a gentle "come here" motion toward the front wall, belly side, rather than quick thrusts. Fingers excel at precise pressure and angles, not speed. Explore the G-spot area. About 1 to 2 inches inside on the front wall, the tissue may feel slightly spongy. This is often referred to as the G-spot region, which becomes more prominent with arousal. Curl your fingertip toward it with a slow, beckoning motion. Start lightly and increase pressure only if she requests it, or her body responds positively. Blended stimulation. Use your other hand to hold her hip, caress her stomach, or continue clitoral stimulation with your thumb. Combining internal and external touch can be particularly powerful. 2 fingers, if desired. If she wants more fullness, slide 2 lubricated fingers together, keeping them curved to maintain contact with the front wall. Use small arcs or come here motions while continuing external stimulation. As arousal builds, consistency is key. When she's close to orgasm, her signals, faster breathing, trembling thighs, hips pushing against you, or louder sounds, will intensify. If she says, right there, lock in that exact rhythm, pressure, and pace. Many climaxes are disrupted by sudden changes, so stay steady until she finishes. Place a pillow under her hips to tilt the pelvis, making the front wall easier to access. After climax, reduce intensity, but maintain gentle touch as her body relaxes. Stroke her ribs, thighs, or hair, or offer a light belly massage. A glass of water can be a thoughtful gesture. Later ask, what did you like most? This opens the door to learning her preferences for next time. Hygiene. Short nails, clean hands, and lubricant are non-negotiable. If transitioning from anal to vaginal touch, wash thoroughly or use gloves to prevent infection. Pain signals. If she feels burning or sharp pain, stop immediately. Add more lubricant and return to external touch. Mild stretching may be okay if she confirms it feels good. Respect. Preferences. Not every woman enjoys internal stimulation, and some prefer clitoral focus alone. Listen to her needs and adapt. Physical technique is only part of the equation. When a woman feels safe, admired, and unrushed, her body responds more fully. Emotional security enhances blood flow, relaxes muscles, and amplifies pleasure. Your hands, when guided by patience and care, can create an experience that's both physically and emotionally fulfilling. For men looking to enhance their own sexual health, certain natural supplements may support circulation, stamina, and overall performance. 2 options I often recommend are watermelon extract, rich in citrulline, which supports nitric oxide production and blood flow. Advanced formulas, blends combining tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle, and citrulline can aid erections, stamina, testosterone, and prostate health. For more information on these supplements, consult a healthcare professional or visit trusted sources. Your hands are remarkable tools when used with respect, precision, and attentiveness. By prioritizing consent, preparation, and communication, you can create an intimate experience that leaves your partner feeling valued and satisfied. Observe her cues, ask for feedback, and let patience guide you. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who value respectful intimacy advice, and subscribe for more insights. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who value respectful intimacy advice, and subscribe for more insights.